Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from Crone-Findlay.com and TottyTalksCrafts.com. I wanted to tell you the story that is behind the twig handles on the knotted lace market bag that is in innovative frame weaving on the frame loom. One of our neighbors is a very sweet elderly gentleman who unfortunately lost the love of his life, and he of course has been very sad about that. And the summer after she died, oh dear, her beloved apple tree followed in her footsteps, and it died too, and it was clear it had to be cut down. And so, because we have a wood-burning stove, he gave us the wood from the apple tree. And I decided that since there were some wonderful twigs as well as the wood, the big chunks, that I didn't want all the pieces of wood from Kay's apple tree to be just thrown in the fire. I wanted to have some way of remembering her. And so I saved some of the nice straight twigs, and I used them to make the handles for the market bag. And so I've shown him the bag, and he really liked that her tree is living on in this bag. And so to me, it's a lovely way to add meaning and depth to what may be just a very simple project, but to have that sense of connection and love and caring that lives on just by a simple thing of using the twigs that might have been thrown in the fire or just gone to the landfill. But no, they will be used for many years well and happily in this bag. And so I find that it's just, it makes my heart sing when I do find ways of adding more meaning to the work I do. And so there's almost always a story involved in the weaving that I do. And it may look like it might be something quite simple, but believe me, there are stories behind it. And so I invite you to weave your stories into your special projects as well. And keep those stories alive and keep the love alive. So be safe, be well, be kind, take good care, and happy weaving. We'll see you soon. Bye for now.